just explain a bit in the video. What we're trying to do right now is to resize the Rattan panels. So we use the angle grinder to cut off some rough edges and resize the beading such that if we recess it just like the way he's trying to do it, it's able to get in better. So it's actually an intricate process. This is called a Rattan trash bin. So as you've noticed, the beadings have been put and the cane panelist has been put inside. So this is how we managed to get it inside. Yeah, so once the panelist has been recessed, we later varnish. We'll have to apply varnish on it. So this trash bin is for a hotel that we are making. Yeah, so it's also very important to apply glue on those edges whereby once the panelist is recessed, it will be there permanent. And just to make it more firm and durable, we use some nails for the fixtures. But for here we had to use a 1-inch nail, those small ones, such that this thing can be able to last for the longest time.